Welcome to Thamara's garden. A warm welcome, friends. This video is very special for garden beginners. If you are a person who wants to start up gardening and looking for plants which are the best for your garden, this video is for you, because in this video I will be discussing about the plants that you can grow very easily. These are permanent, low maintenance and also very hardy plants. So if you are a person new to gardening, this is for you. So in this video you will get all the details, friends. So stay tuned until the end. I will be sharing some of the best plants. I have selected the best for you. So stay until the end to know everything. So this is Thamara from Thamara's channel, and if you are a new person on my channel, make sure you subscribe for more upcoming gardening videos. When you thought of doing gardening, before you go to a nursery, you better get some plants from your friends. The first tip is that without wasting a lot of money on different types of plants, because when you go to a nursery you will see many varieties of plants and you do not know what to buy. So before you go to any nursery, try getting these plants from a friend of yours. So that is a tip for you as a beginner. If you can get on some plants from your friends, that is one thing, you are saving money as well. So let's see what are the plants that you can get. So as a beginner gardener, try some lucky bamboo plants. Lucky bamboo plants, you can see they grow from stems. Very easy to grow and maintain. These plants doesn't need any fertilizer also. So if you are going for studies or if you are going for work, this plant is ideal for you, because once you put it in a corner in your garden, this plant will sure to make you and give you more and more baby plants as well. So without fertilizer, if you can grow plants, that is really an advance and also a bonus for you. Make sure to keep this plant in a shady area, in a partial to medium sunlight area if you have kept it outdoors in your garden. So if you keep this plant indoors as an indoor plant, no need of watering. Once in 3 days you can water them. If you can give them a mist spray in the morning to give their leaves a great look and also to give a shiny look, that will be really very added for the growth of the plant. But if you don't give a mist spray, that is okay, fine, but give a good thorough wash once a week will give these plants a boost grow. So this is the plant I suggest as a beginner gardener's plant, a permanent plant, friends, and also very easy to care. So this plant is the first plant that I suggest you having in your garden as a beginner gardener. So moving on to the next plants, this is the money pothos plants. There are many varieties of pothos plants, because marble queen pothos, neon pothos, marble queen pothos, and also there are enjoy pothos as well. So this is the second plant that I suggest you bring from a nursery or from a friend of yours. Out of many varieties of pothos plants, you can grow them very easily without any trouble, because they are low maintenance and permanent. There are beautiful leafy plants also in these varieties. So try getting the golden pothos first and go for the others as well. You can grow them in any planters, DIY planters, or any planter you have. Also these plants you can multiply easily, so you can grow them with stem cuttings in water and soil both, and these are beautiful and low maintenance plants. Even a small stem cutting in a small planter will grow really very fast. For a beginner gardener to grow plants is not that difficult once you get the right plants to your hand. So without wasting your money, you can buy some coleus plants. Get some coleus plants from a friend of yours and grow them in any size of planter. Even if you put them in any soil media, these plants will grow really very healthily, and within a very short period of time you will see they are rooting. So if you put them in water to propagate, that will also make sure very fast. So there are many varieties, colorful plants of coleus. Add them in your garden because it will give a decorative look too. If you are a beginner, you can get some syngonium plants to grow. Now look at these syngonium plants. They have grown very fast and also very big, huge leaves. Look at these. So if you put them on soil or in the ground, they will grow really very huge and also very healthily. No soil preference needed, but only thing is you will have to keep them in the shade. In any soil, these plants will sure to grow, and you will see that you can multiply them also in a very short period of time. Here's a small cutting of syngonium I put in a small plant. Look at this syngonium plant in a bigger pot, ample pot. So they love the shade. Keep it in the shady area, partial to medium sunlight, and also they will grow beautifully indoors as well. Next plant for a beginner is this beautiful pandanus plant. No need of knowing any gardening knowledge. Even if you put them in pots or in the ground, they will grow really very beautiful. This is a variegated leafy plant. It colors your garden as well. So get some pandanus plants for your garden. When you start up gardening, try buying beautiful snake plants as well. Add these plants also in your garden plants collection, because this is a best house plant, and also you can keep it outdoors in the outdoor garden. This is one of the air purifier plants, very hardy plant, no need to regular water. So you can easily maintain even without fertilizer. These plants will sure to grow. So have any variety of snake plants in your home garden. These plants are ideal for beginners because they are less maintenance, very easy to grow. You can multiply them with single leaf, and also you can put them in any planter you have. You can put them in old coffee mugs or else in bottle planters or whatever the waste material you have. So this is an air purifier plants, very beneficial of having them indoors as well. So when you put them outdoors, you can put it in an area where they get the medium to partial sunlight. ZZ plant. A beginner gardener can easily grow this plant and multiply, because you can grow them from leaves also, and also stem cuttings in water and soil. This plant also very low maintenance and hard to kill, and also without any fertilizer you can grow them. So this is another suggestion for a beginner. If you are a beginner, no worries, you can buy this or else you can get it from a friend of yours. Have it in your garden, but do not expose them to too much of sunlight, and also do not over water. These are some of the spider plants of mine, and these plants also love the shade, and you can grow them indoors because they are also an air purifier plant. So grow this one plant also in any planter you have. Keep them in the shade, and also these are beautiful and colorful variegated leafy plants. These beautiful plants also for a beginner. These are beautiful and colorful leafy plants, and also you can grow them without fertilizer and they will grow like weeds. Having 1 or 2 aloe vera plants also as a beginner is very beneficial, because they are a root hormone and you can use them for many purposes of hair care and skin care. And this is aloe vera is a must-have plant in your garden. So this plant also do not go to water, and if you want more information you can watch them in my channel, and I will put the links in the description for more information. In this video I have mentioned about some of the plants that a beginner gardener can easily grow. Part 2 of the same video, same topic, I'll be uploading soon. So stay tuned to my channel by subscribing, and don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you.